I'm gonna get a dog.
Aw.
I'm not your dog though.
Well, look at my dog.
Oh my god, that's a cute
Let's
dog.
go inside.
Open the door. Stop the door.
Doggy door. Goes on bed, dog bed.
Dog bed.
So what should we do now?
I think they're gonna marry because that's a girl and that's a boy. And also they
What
really
is
like
this?
each other.
Who is this?
Who cares about that? What is that thing?
Some sort of remote? Beep. Did it just? Hold up. What happens if I press this?
Hey,
button?
I found a controlling device.
What is that?
Oh, I want to try that. What? I want to
Your
try.
actual.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Here. You.
I thought you said. It doesn't have the top, so you're just kissing someone. Anyways, let's get back
This
to
is
the
the
role.
top. Okay.
Let's get to role play.
Now it turned into a whistle.
Okay, what is this though? Dude, what is this? Pea shooter, come look what I found. Put that over there. What is this? And this, I found this too.
I need to zoom in.
This is a person. I don't care about that person.
Who
This
is?
is. I don't care about that.
She looks kind of hot.
This is. I don't care about that.
You
Anyways,
guys
back
still
to my
have a lot of
game.
balloons?
I'm gaming in my gaming chair.
Okay, stop.